guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is doing very well today. Today we're going to be doing a small, kind of like a fill-in grocery haul. I went to two different stores. I went to Publix and Walmart and picked up a few things. So I'm going to get everything set up and ready to go, and I'll show you what I got. Okay guys, we're going to start off with Publix. I picked up some sushi for lunch. I've just got this country California roll, and I've also got the cream cheese roll, and I also picked up this elote seasoning as well as this umami seasoning for chicken wraps, things like that. So that is everything from Publix that I picked up. So we're going to go ahead and move on to a Walmart. Okay, so I picked up some crescent rolls. I was wanting to get the puff pastry, but they did not have any. So I just got the crescents. I can just like pinch them together for what I'm going to do with that. I've got some brie and fig jam in the refrigerator that I'm going to make a nice appetizer with for that. My daughter wanted a dragon fruit, so I picked one up for her. I got another spinach and spring mix for salads or chicken wraps or something like that for lunch. I got some of these crackers for the dip. Got some au jus gravy, brown gravy, and chicken gravy just to replace what I used up. I've also got some more rice because we're about out of that. Picked up some more heavy whipping cream because we're going to be doing some chicken Alfredo next week. Got some chopped romaine mix for, again, some salad or chicken wraps or something like that for a quick lunch. We got some more butter, some of these Constellation mixed tomatoes. These are really good. And I picked up some of these raviolis for a quick dinner one night, probably with some Alfredo sauce. That would be really good. So this is the Maine lobster. I also got the spinach and ricotta. I think this would go really well as like a imitation lasagna style dinner. And then I just picked up some of these cheese ravioli. Sorry guys, my battery died, so I changed it out really quick. But as I was saying, I got these cheese ravioli. My daughter likes to put these in the air fryer and just like fry them up for like a crunchy ravioli, like for a snack. So I got some of those for her. Also picked up a Mountain Dew, which I already got into because it is hot as mess out there. So I got that. I got some of these tortellini 3-cheese pastas for dinner one night. I also picked up some more orzo because my other box mysteriously come up missing. I have no idea what happened to it. I don't know where it went from the store to the house. So yeah, I picked up some more of that. I've got some more cream of mushroom soup and some diced tomatoes just to replenish what I used up in my pantry. I picked my daughter up some Sprite. I got 2 things of eggs. I also got some shrimp for shrimp Alfredo coming up soon. I got 2 pounds of ground beef, and I also got some cubed steak for dinner one night. I'm just going to separate this into 2, so that way we'll have 2 meals out of this. And for non-food items, I picked up some toilet paper, some more dry shampoo, and some BioFreeze. I love this stuff. I fractured my foot a few years ago at work, so I use this sometimes when my muscles start hurting in my leg. And then I just picked up some Toilet One refills for cleaning the toilet. So yeah, here's a little overview of everything. I'm going to go ahead and get all of this put up so that way nothing goes bad. And yeah, you guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.